Hey people, so in exactly I don't know half an hour from now, basically someone's going to come to it's so annoying to do all this repair work, but I think it needs to be done. And as of yesterday, for the first time after long, I did 45 times Surya Namaskar, but I realized I think I need to start doing face yoga to lose the chubby chubby cheeks that I have. But really, people, of late, in fact, I was planning to record a video like that. Did you know that if you want your hair to grow fast, I mean, especially as a woman, you should tie it in plaits? For guys, I don't know what, but the logic being, I don't know what suggestion I could give for guys, but no, for girls, it is just you tie your hair in plaits and your hair will grow longer, simply since I remember learning this at a Korean sujok therapy session that uh, when that string as such, when it is formed, it has that effect of making something, like a rope also is in a braid form, right? So it makes it strong and makes it long, I think. So really, so this is a little known fact to make your hair grow longer. So already it's a 1 minute video, but really, so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.